Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring the exciting world of artificial intelligence and how it's transforming entrepreneurship. AI has emerged as a game changer, revolutionizing various industries and creating new opportunities for entrepreneurs around the globe. Let's dive into the top 5 ways AI is changing the landscape of entrepreneurship. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe if you want more content of this type. One of the significant ways AI is transforming entrepreneurship is through the automation of repetitive tasks. With machine learning algorithms, businesses can streamline operations, reduce human error, and save time and resources. For example, AI-powered chatbots can handle customer inquiries, freeing up human employees to focus on more complex tasks. This automation allows entrepreneurs to scale their businesses efficiently and devote more time to strategic decision-making. AI is also revolutionizing entrepreneurship by providing powerful data analysis and decision-making capabilities. With AI-powered analytics tools, businesses can process and analyze massive amounts of data to gain insights and make informed decisions. For instance, entrepreneurs can leverage AI algorithms to analyze customer data, market trends, and business performance, leading to data-driven strategies and better decision-making, ultimately driving business growth. Another way AI is transforming entrepreneurship is through personalized customer experiences. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of customer data, including preferences, behaviors, and demographics, to offer personalized product recommendations, advertisements, and services. This level of personalization enhances customer engagement, loyalty, and satisfaction, which are crucial for the success of any business in today's competitive landscape. AI is also driving innovation in products and services. Entrepreneurs are leveraging AI to develop cutting-edge products and services that were once only imaginable in science fiction. For instance, we are witnessing the development of self-driving cars, virtual assistants, and personalized healthcare solutions. These innovative offerings powered by AI are disrupting traditional industries, creating new markets, and opening up unprecedented opportunities for entrepreneurs to bring groundbreaking ideas to life. Lastly, AI is transforming entrepreneurship by optimizing marketing and advertising efforts. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns, segment audiences, and deliver personalized and targeted marketing campaigns. This helps entrepreneurs optimize their marketing strategies, improve customer engagement, and maximize return on investment (ROI) from their advertising efforts. To summarize, in this video, we explored 5 ways in which AI is revolutionizing entrepreneurship, automating routine tasks, providing data-driven insights, personalizing customer experiences, driving product innovation, and optimizing marketing and advertising efforts. AI has become a game changer, empowering entrepreneurs to scale their businesses, make informed decisions, and create innovative products and services. As the world continues to embrace AI, entrepreneurs who embrace this technology are poised for success in the ever-evolving business landscape. In conclusion, the impact of AI on entrepreneurship is undeniable. From automating routine tasks and providing data-driven insights to personalizing customer experiences and driving product innovation, AI is transforming the landscape of entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs who harness the power of AI can gain a competitive edge, drive business growth, and unlock new opportunities in today's rapidly changing business environment.